Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to Royalty Cleaning Company's YouTube channel. My name is Amber Swanson, and I am the CEO and founder of this residential house cleaning business here in Hopkins, Minnesota. I've been serving this community since 2016. Yeah, it's been 4 years since I've been in business, but I literally built it from the ground up. And what separates my business from the rest is that I really wanted to establish a business that focused on positivity and spreading kindness. Because one thing I've noticed is there are a lot of negative things in the world that may be displayed everywhere on media or social media or whatever. And I wanted to make this business and take my brick and mortar business and replicate it here on YouTube by spreading to tens of thousands of people kindness and positivity. That's what I base my business is. That's my foundation of my business. And so I wanted to make this YouTube channel to connect with like-minded people who are looking for ways, more so looking to be educated on the proper tools and equipment to not only clean your homes properly, but I believe that positivity and kindness starts in your homes. So if you're looking for a YouTube channel that's going to talk about a lot of how-tos, tips, we're going to do a lot of reviews and things of that on eco-friendly sustainability products that I'm really proud to share with you. You're going to want to go ahead and click that subscribe button and continue on this journey with me. Once again, I am truly looking for people who want to be a part of community where it's not only having a clean home, but it's having a place where you feel safe. You're able to create, you're able to relax in your own kingdom and become the better version of yourself. That's what you're going to find here on this YouTube channel. If you're looking for someone, if you've been looking for a channel like this to connect with, today is the day that you should go ahead and click that like button and subscribe, where we're going to go on this journey. And not only you're going to learn a lot of the proper education and tools to sanitize, declutterize, but also simplify those cleaning techniques so they are maximized to the full potential, where you can start to begin to spend time doing the things that you actually love doing. Starts in the comfort of your home with spreading love, joy, kindness, and positivity throughout the world. My goal is to touch 10,000 people in these videos, whether it's just giving you the proper tools and education with cleaning, but also bringing content where you are able to become the better version of yourselves, starting in the comfort of your home. Like I said, if you want to join me on this journey, go ahead and like and subscribe this video. Hit that button and you'll see content like this every Sunday. I wanted to start on Sundays because I feel like not only is that a day of rest, but I intentionally wanted to make sure that we start our week off in a very positive and conscious mindset. So I hope to see you next Sunday. Stay blessed, not stressed. Take care. Bye.